First thing to do is to download the mobile app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, you have to tap on sign up. That is, once you've downloaded it, launch it and tap on the sign up button. Choose your country of residence from the drop-down list. Provide a valid email address that you will use to log into your Remitly account. Choose a strong and unique password for your account. Then fill out the required fields with your personal details such as name, date of birth, and address. Enter your phone number and verify it through a text message or phone call. Next, you have to link a payment method such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Do not forget to review and accept the terms and conditions of Remitly. It's as simple as that. Now, after creating your account, Remitly may require additional verification steps to comply. This may include uploading a valid government-issued ID, such as passport or driver's license, and to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement.